Hi guys, me again, and with another video. Today we are going to be opening 10 of these special plus packs. So how I got these special plus packs was that if I go to my badges, I completed this. So get every standard gold card. I have every gold card. It gave me 2 million coins, 100 tokens, and 10 of these special packs. We're going to open all 10 in this video, and we can see who we get. Just go the first pack. Our first pack, we get Inform Draxler. I guess it's a worst new. Almost at 4,000 cards. Next one. Oh, it's the Inform Walkout. It's Italy. Kit 90. Okay. Pretty good. Good start. Alright, it's our third one. Another Inform Walkout. Okay. Savage, 87 rating. I'm not sure how that's a walkout, but I'll take it. Alright. I really want to get there. We just keep getting Informed. That's 4 packs in a row with Informs. 6 left. Come on. Icon, let's go. I'm just like, I'm sorry if this is a very short video, but it's late at night, so yeah. And my how to get unlimited packs video, that went down insanely well. It's got over 300 views, which is my most viewed video on this channel. I'm just, what can I say? Like, never. But here we get Aubameyang, nothing much. 88 rated version. That could be the book. Oh, sorry, man. Now I'm just dying slowly. Okay, other info. I really want to get someone just that blows my mind. Like, imagine getting a 99 Messi out of this. Imagine just getting a team video out of this. I've only packed 2 team videos in my life, and I've got 6, which I'll show you here. If I go to my cards, and if I go to team of the year, 6 out of 13, I have Messi, Ronaldo, De Gea, Sergio Ramos, Varane, and Kante. I've packed Ronaldo and Ramos. The other 4 I've got from trades. So, alright, we've got 2 more packs. And we get an Inform there. I've packed them so many. Okay, this is our last special plus pack of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not going to be a great video. Probably not going to get a lot of views because I'm not really popular. As you can see, I have 30 odd subscribers. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And peace.